Forms in Jira can get a little overwhelming. So many fields, so little structure. But what if your forms could look like this? Clean, focused, and easy to use. What if this entire screen with multiple custom fields could be built using just one custom field, with multiple subfields, one field to bundle them all? How is that possible, you may ask? Let us introduce the Bundle Fields feature, available now in the Dynamic Forms for Jira app. See how it works. First, create a custom field of bundle field type. Then, go to its configuration. At the subfield you want to see on your Create screen, adjust its details like name, description, or options. Then, add other fields and adjust them as well. You have full control of what your users will see on the form. Then, you can adjust the layout according to your needs to make it shorter and more user-friendly. Save your changes, and that's it. Seems easy, right? No coding needed. Need to use the same custom fields in another project? You can assign your bundle fields to multiple projects and contexts. Create less custom fields with simplified maintenance. Group subfields to show they're logically connected. And improve your instance's performance. Try bundle fields in Dynamic Forms for Jira today and build forms with clear structure and easy maintenance.